Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. And today, we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple is making some major changes, but are these really improvements? Alright, first, let's talk about the display. Apple expanded the Pro lineup's display sizes last year, and we anticipate those same dimensions to continue. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to feature a 6.3-inch screen, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max will come with a 6.9-inch display. The overall dimensions of the devices are unlikely to change, but reports indicate we might see some notable design changes, particularly on the back of the phone. The iPhone 17 Pro might be slightly thicker to fit a bigger battery, with its thickness increasing to 8.725mm from the previous 8.25mm. According to rumors, Apple could also revamp the camera bump. Instead of the current square-shaped bump, the company may switch to a larger rectangular bump crafted from aluminum rather than glass. This rectangular design would mark a significant change and indicates that the camera lenses could be aligned horizontally. A longer camera bump with lenses positioned horizontally brings up questions about how spatial video would function. On current iPhone models, spatial video relies on two vertically stacked lenses, the wide and ultra-wide, to record footage at the same time. When filming in landscape mode, the horizontal gap between the lenses mimics the spacing of human eyes, producing a sense of depth. The rumored horizontal lens arrangement on the iPhone 17 Pro wouldn't support spatial video in landscape orientation unless Apple introduces a new approach to spatial video technology. According to MagSafe and Sonny Dixon, the Apple logo on the back of the iPhone 17 Pro models will be placed lower than on current models, due to a significantly larger camera bump. The updated MagSafe design will ensure the logo stays fully visible even when the phones are in a redesigned MagSafe case. Case manufacturing sources told MagSafe that existing MagSafe accessories will still work with the iPhone 17 Pro models, suggesting this adjustment is mainly aesthetic, without any functional benefit. Nonetheless, there are separate reports claiming that the iPhone 17 Pro models may support slightly faster MagSafe charging speeds when paired with a future version of Apple's MagSafe charger. And that wraps up everything we know so far about the highly anticipated iPhone 17 Pro Max, from the bold new design to the upgraded cameras, performance, and all the little details Apple seems to be perfecting this year. If these leaks and rumors are anything to go by, this could be one of the most exciting iPhone launches in years. But of course, until Apple officially unveils it, take everything with a grain of salt. What do you think? Are these changes enough to make you upgrade? Or are you holding out for something even bigger? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more tech updates and deep dives, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out when the official announcement drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.